Watchdoc, your scanning solution. Let's discover together how to use the scanning function of your new print management solution. To begin, go to your multifunction device and place your document in the feeder, slot, or on the scanning glass of your machine. You can now authenticate using a code or a badge. By clicking on the We Scan button, you can choose your scanning options. On the left of the screen, select one of the pre-recorded profiles: Paper Standard HD, Color Standard, or Black and White Low Resolution. Each profile is editable and allows you to adjust settings, such as resolution, duplex mode, or file type. Next, define the destination of your scanned document. You can choose to send the file by email to share it easily. By clicking on Edit, you can modify the destination email addresses. If you wish, you can add that of a third-party application to receive your document. You can also send the file directly to your own mailbox by choosing the Scan to My Email destination. If the file is too large to be sent as an attachment, it will be sent as a link in the body of the email. It is also possible to scan to a folder. By clicking on Edit, you can check the destination folder and modify the name of your document. After choosing the destination, click the Scan button. It's as simple as that. For more information, visit our documentation site, doc.docsense.com.